my personal top 5 favorites. NOP and MO, male rejuvenation and female rejuvenation. In the entire range of the mitoorganelle peptides, the combinations called as male revitalization and female revitalization are perhaps the most well-known and widely used internationally. For the first interesting fact about mitoorganelles male and female revitalization is that both are in the top 5 most widely used mitoorganelles, and together they take up to 44% of all the mitoorganelles used. The original formulation, which contains 9 types of organ-specific cell extracts, was further upgraded and was eventually evolved into a 12-in-1 combination. The first report about the initial experience of MO male and female revitalization was made in 2016 on the 5-continent conference of aesthetic medicine and lasers in Barcelona and published same year in the medical journal Aesthetics in Dermatology and Surgery. In that observational study, we reported about the positive effects of MO male and female revitalization on the parameters of antioxidant protection system, glutathione levels in blood, and assays of the mitochondrial peptides in aging individuals with various chronic degenerative diseases such as ischemic heart disease, type 2 diabetes, Alzheimer's disease, and osteoarthritis. The complete results of this study were published in the European Journal of Pharmaceutical and Medical Research in 2019. In 2017, the presentation of the similar to the MO male and female revitalization combination of compounds known as male or female fertility were awarded in the category of Best Innovation on the 8th 5cc Congress of Aesthetic Medicine and Surgery. The areas of application and potential benefits for this peptide combination are broad and cover a wide range of age-related conditions: frailty syndrome, systemic chronic organic diseases, age-related hormonal imbalance, chronic fatigue, as well as for longevity and disease prevention purposes. Although actual protocols depend on the case and may differ from individual to individual depending on the status of health, it is important to remember that duration of use matters a lot. The generally recommended duration of use is minimum 10 weeks to 4 months for the best outcomes. Please remember to visit European wellness retreats to ask their experts and consultants about best options in each and every case.